In this video, I'll be reviewing the A60 Bluetooth Chinese stylish and affordable speaker. I'll be unboxing, connecting to it, and then reviewing it. The speaker comes packaged in a nice double box, suitable as a gift. In the box you find the speaker, a stick-on pad, a welcome note written in Chinese, a 3.5mm jack stereo cable, and a micro USB cable. The speaker is made of plastic, but it looks stylish and well made. On the back you'll find a TF card slot, a micro USB plug, and a 3.5mm jack stereo audio input. On top you'll find the control buttons, play pause button, minus, plus, and on off button. The instructions are in a leaflet, and they are in English and in Chinese.
Bluetooth mode.
When you power it on, it goes into Bluetooth mode, ready to pair. A small blue LED blinks in the inside of the speaker. It shows as A60 on your device, and connecting is fast. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.